Hello, welcome back to our channel. We are true to our roots. The channel is talking a little bit about off-grid living, and today we are talking about the 4 essential elements to live off-grid. Shelter, water, electricity, and
Food.
Yes.
That's important.
Yes. And I guess our first topic is shelter, and as you can see behind us, this is our shelter. And we bought it about like 2 years ago and converted it into this hard wall. Before it was a pop-up camper with canvas.
We started off with 0 building experience. All we had built before was a table, and we figured we'll go all in. And so it was pretty simple once we started. A little nerve-wracking once we had to cut off the top, but other than that, went pretty smooth. Survived the 1,000-mile journey from Maine to Florida, so I think we did a pretty good job. Maybe in another video we'll do an actual tour and show some clips. The next essential thing would be water. We've had up and down luck with that. At first we decided to try to dig a well, and we did hit water. Maybe we'll insert some clips after this, but the first pump that we bought didn't work, and I think it was because we didn't put a foot valve at the bottom of the well. It was our first time. So I think what we're gonna do is just get some more rain barrels. As you see, we have 2 right behind us, and we collect the rain off the roof. And we made makeshift gutters with PVC, pretty simple. There's a lot of videos on YouTube of people doing the same thing. And so that's half of our water, and then we just got, I think 4 more barrels, and we're just gonna fill it up at the river, which is like a mile away. We're lucky to have a river and a natural source of water, so I think and a spring, yeah, a natural spring with underground caves and all that. So I think we're just gonna use that for now and expand when we have the time and patience, because it's not easy.
For power, we have 2 generators, 3 solar powered batteries, and 1 100-watt solar panel. Yes. That's enough for now, but eventually we do want to get more solar, just to have more capacity for appliances. Possible appliances like a fridge and things like that.
For now, yeah, it fits our needs, and we can charge our phones, our laptops, any power tools we want to use, pretty much anything, a blender. So we actually started out with just the solar panel and just the batteries, but over time we realized we actually need a generator, and it was on sale, so we got that. And then we saw another generator on sale. So we got that too. So we're definitely stocked up for power capacity. And
one of the generators, the first one we got is 2,000 watts. The second one we got is
6,500.
6,500, yeah. So that's a big day.
It is more than enough.
Yeah.
So the most important thing was food, obviously. And I got started as soon as we moved here, because obviously it takes a while for things to grow and to get a hang of actually trying to grow your whole diet. We've been vegetarian for about 2 years now, so we eat pretty much only live foods and no animal products or anything like that. We definitely don't eat meat, so it makes it easy for us to grow our own food. So we started out with 1 raised bed and a bunch of herbs that we brought on the travel with us. So first we started growing kale and broccoli and Brussels sprouts, which had mixed results, and we'll explain that later maybe. Since it's summer, we started growing tomatoes and squash and cucumbers, peppers. We have a banana tree, avocado tree, lime tree, Actually, yeah, a lemon tree and a key lime tree. Just the list goes on and on. So we have a smallish, medium-sized garden, and it's thriving right now. We just have to tend it and fertilize it every once in a while, but we're just waiting for it to grow. We grow a lot of herbs, and yeah, we're just looking to expand our knowledge. Right now, we did what we can for our first year, and at least we can eat from the garden once a week, which is good, but our goal is to eat something from the garden every day in the near future. So yeah, I guess that wraps up the 4 elements. I just wanted to name it that because those are the essential things that you would want to make sure you have a plan for when you're planning to go off grid. And yeah, they're pretty simple. You don't have to look at all these people on YouTube and kind of overcomplicate the whole journey and think you need tens of thousands of dollars to live off the grid, because that kind of defeats the purpose.
Yeah.
You can just work with what you have and do what you do. Right now I'm building a shed out of pallets that we got pretty much for free for $4 each. And yeah, it's gonna be a stable structure. And in the future, we're gonna build many more things. We're gonna grow more things. We have big plans, and we do it all on a budget. So I guess that wraps up this video. Maybe we'll insert some clips somewhere in the end or in the beginning or whatever works. So yeah.
So make sure you guys like the video and share it with your friends if you found it interesting. And also make sure you subscribe to see more videos.
Yes.
And yeah.
Keep in contact with us. We have an Amazon list and a GoFundMe if you want to support. And yeah, we're gonna make sure we put more videos out and all the different elements of living off grid. Also more, this is just still the beginning. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you soon.
And everything will be in the description.
Yes. Yeah. Give thanks.